Hi, I'm Yvonne, and today I'm bringing you inside a brand new collection of luxury freehold landed homes designed by the award-winning RT&Q architects. This is nestled in the midst of the natural enclave in District 21. But the most exciting thing about this is the price. It's the best in Upper Bukit Timah. Come on, head inside and I'll show you more. Step inside and you're welcomed by a wide open plan living space with luxurious interior design and furnishing all done up by the developer. Fitted with luxurious marble flooring and large panel windows, this spacious living is well lit and ventilated with the natural light. This is the kind of space you don't just live in, you entertain in. The kitchen is fully equipped with plenty of storage and its functional workflow. It's fitted with branded appliances from a huge Sub-Zero fridge outside and also a Samsung fridge, enclave wine fridge, Vizuk gas cooker hob, 5 hobs and hood, hands-grow tap, and this kitchen is built to whip up gourmet cuisine. Check out the premium finishes and the carpentry. And with your own brand new private lift, this home is perfect and convenient for your multi-generational living, connecting all levels of the house. And right now, we're at the second floor. This is where your master bedroom is. It's a beautiful big space. Later, we're going to check it out. And at the other end, we have another flexi room space, which it can also fit into a bedroom. And we've also an attached utility room. And right now, we are on the third floor. On the third floor, you have two big, luxurious ensuite bedrooms where they have their own walk-in wardrobes and also attached bathroom that is furnished with luxurious sanitary fitware from Hans Grohe. And up at the attic, this is your flexible space. We have two rooms here. This is a room that you can do your entertainment, home office, or private lounge, you decide. And you have back at the end, there's another room that is another ensuite bedroom with also built-in wardrobe and attached bathroom. And after a long day, imagine unwinding in your own private spa pool right at home. Now, here's why this is a rare find. It is freehold landed property, so it's a legacy asset, and is located at a cul-de-sac, grand entrance. The land is from 3,132 square feet, built up to 5,436. Brand new, and it's fitted with private lift and spa pool, saving you millions of dollars to tear down and rebuild. And not only that, it is designed by the famous renowned RT&Q architects, and only limited units are available. And what's special is that it's busing provided daily by the British Club to 6th Avenue MRT station with a wide range of timing. But the best part is the price. It is priced at where other landed properties are selling, but you still need to spend the money to tear down and rebuild. If you are interested, contact me at 9887-9437. My name is Yvonne Chia. Hope to see you soon before this is gone.